So since I work with a lot of Spanish friends, um, how would I say, for example, I mean, they're friends, so I wouldn't say nice to meet you, but like I meet them daily. So I would say good to see you. Is there a term for good to see you?
Yeah, but as you said, it can be a little bit polite.
Yeah.
You don't say that to a friend. Maybe you would say, "What's up?" Right?
What's up? Yeah, sure.
What's up? And as you know, what's up is like a little bit of slang. It's a phrasal verb. Don't worry. But I'm gonna teach you like a little bit of slang that is very wide. I think this slang can be used in many Spanish-speaking countries, and you would say, "Don't ask." We say this, okay? This. ¿Qué onda?
¿Qué onda?
¿Qué onda?
¿Qué onda?
Ajá, ¿qué onda?
Uh,
Just like that. You say that to people who are close. So do you remember how to say hi?
hola.
So can you say, hey, what's up?
Hola, ¿qué onda? Not hola, hola. Hola, ¿qué onda?
Now that I hear it, I think they mean the same, but ¿qué onda is like saying, yeah, what's up? You don't say, hi, what's up? Yeah, you do, but it's like repetitive, right? So you would say, ¿qué onda?
¿Qué onda? Wow. And can I use this for, I don't think I can use this with parents or someone older.
Yeah. I mean, with parents, you can also say what's up to your parents, but let's say, I think it would be like, how are you?
Yeah, how are you? And how are you? We
Yeah,
discussed that is como estas.
yeah, that's perfect. ¿Cómo
Good.
estás? Or you can say like, good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, what is good morning?
Good morning, that's a good question. Good morning is buenos, good morning, días. You
Buen,
may see we have an S there, right?
yeah, buenos.
We don't say good days in English, right? Good mornings, we don't say that. But in Spanish, we have an emphatic plural. In this case, buenos días is an emphatic plural. It's not that you're saying many days, it's an emphatic plural. So what is it again?
Buenos días.
Días with D.
Okay. I was confused about that. Okay, D. Buenos días. Good morning.
Yeah, oh, you look so professional. Buenos días.
Well,
Perfect.
I'm trying to talk to my friend, so okay, I'll try to.
Oh, never mind. Then what do you use to talk to your friends?
Well, I never say good morning, but I was just curious. Like, it's good
No,
to.
the one we just learned.
Oh yeah, ¿qué ondo?
Ah, ¿qué onda?
Yeah, sorry. My writing is really ugly here. ¿Qué onda? ¿Qué onda?
Don't sabotage yourself. Come on.
Right. So again, ¿qué onda? Like
Yeah,
that.
¿qué onda? And they will be like, wow, you're native and stuff because that is slang.
That is okay. Good. So a lot of times I'm late, and my friends have to cover my shift for a few minutes. So how would I say sorry? But the whole thing, like sorry, I'm late.
Oh, wait. Okay, so sorry, we say perdón.
Perdón, like pardon. Okay.
Yeah, like a beg your pardon, kind of like that, but with E. Perdón, not
Perdón.
pardon, perdón. And
Perdón.
then you say the reason, por, and then the verb in infinitive. And whatever verb you want to use. Perdón, por, and then the verb in infinitive. In this case is sorry for arriving late.
Yeah, or being
Ah,
late. Yeah.
yeah. In English is with ing. In Spanish is with infinitive, like the base one. Ar, ir. Remember, that is the ending of the verbs in Spanish when they are neutral. Perdón por arriving, llegar, and then late, tarde.
Tarde, llegar tarde. So perdón por llegar tarde.
Tarde. Yeah, not tarde, because that's another word. Tarde. The accent in the A.
Oh, okay. Tarde.
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 Yeah, perfect. You got it.